Peter sat on the broken wooden bench outside his village house, staring at the empty road. He dreamed of leaving this place, of becoming someone important, of proving everyone wrong. Yet every morning he woke up late. Every evening he felt heavy, not tired from work, but tired from regret. He wanted a big life, but his days were small and wasted. This pain stayed inside him silently, growing stronger every night. In the village, people worked with their hands, but Peter often stayed behind, watching others move while he stayed still. People did not insult him, but their silence hurt more than words. Peter felt ambitious, but his body refused to move. This made him angry with himself, and that anger slowly turned into shame. One afternoon, Peter walked away from the village, following a dusty path near the fields. He needed air, but mostly, he needed escape from his thoughts. Near a small mud house, he saw an old woman working alone. Her back was bent. She was weak. Her hands were covered in mud. She was repairing a broken wall, piece by piece, pressing wet soil with slow and careful movements. No one helped her. She did not stop. Peter stood there quietly, watching her struggle. Every movement looked painful, but she did not complain. Her breathing was heavy, yet steady. He noticed how focused she was, how her eyes did not look tired, only determined. Something about her actions made him uncomfortable. She was old, but she moved. He was young, but he waited. The old woman stopped for a moment, wiped sweat from her face, and continued again. She did not ask Peter for help. She did not even look at him. Her silence felt louder than words. Peter finally sat down on a stone nearby. He stayed there for a long time, watching her hands shape the wall. Slowly, he began to feel ashamed of his own stillness. When the wall was finished, she sat down, tired, but calm. Only then did she look at Peter. Her eyes were deep, like they carried many lost stories. Without asking his name, she said softly, "Young people who dream a lot, but move a little, suffer the most." Her words hit Peter like a truth he was trying to hide from. She did not accuse him. She simply spoke reality. She stood again and walked toward her small field behind the house. The land was dry and hard. She picked up a farming tool, her hands shaking slightly, and struck the soil. The ground did not break. She struck again, still nothing. The third time, the soil cracked a little. She stopped, breathing heavily, but her face looked peaceful. Peter realized something powerful in that moment. She was not strong because of her body. She was strong because she never waited to feel ready. The woman handed Peter the tool. He hesitated. His hands were not used to work. But something inside him pushed forward. He hit the ground. Pain shot through his arms. He wanted to stop, but he hit again and again. Sweat rolled down his face. His heart beat fast. Finally, the soil broke open. The old woman nodded slowly. "That small hole is real," she said. "Your dreams are not, until your hands move." Peter felt tears fill his eyes, but he did not cry. For the first time, he understood his problem. He was not lazy because he lacked ambition. He was lazy because he feared effort would expose his weakness. From that day, Peter returned daily. He worked silently. There were no big speeches, no sudden success, just small actions, repeated every day. Slowly, his guilt faded. His mind became quiet. His dreams stopped hurting him. One morning, Peter came and did not find the old woman. The village told him she had passed away peacefully in her sleep. Peter walked to her field and stood there silently. He picked up the tool and worked until sunset. His hands hurt, but his heart felt calm. he was still ambitious. But now, he was no longer lazy, because his actions had finally caught up with his dreams. Ambition without action breaks the heart, but one small daily action can slowly rebuild an entire life.